First, you need 1 lemon and you want to grate the lemon peel and save the juice for later. Next, you'll need 200 grams of butter. Next, you'll need is 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Once you mix the butter and sugar together, you will then need to add 1 full egg and an extra yolk. After you have added the eggs, you should then add in the lemon juice and the lemon peel shavings to the mixture. And now you may mix it all together. Next, you'll need to add 500 grams of flour into your new bowl, which you will mix into your mixture. Once you mix it all together, it'll be very sticky, so I suggest you use your hands. Here's a great trick. I suggest you use cling wrap paper to help you roll out the dough to prevent stickage to the wooden roller. It was of great help to me. Next, you will need to find a good sized baking pan, and once you do that, you should then cut some wax paper to fit the length. Next, you will need a shot glass to help you make some circles. Also, make sure that the dough isn't too thick or too thin. Once they are added to the baking pan, you may put it into the oven to bake for 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a good solid 15 minutes. Once done, you will need some Dr. Oetker vanilla sugar and some apricot jam. Next, you want to take 2 halves and make a hole by adding apricot jam to the middle, and then adding it all together to the vanilla sugar to mix it all together. So here my mom and I did it together, and it sure is easier when you have someone helping you. Once all of them are complete, they will be ready to eat. Now this is giving me a craving. I think I'm gonna go get me some right now. I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure to give it a like. Okay, bye!